Well-known analyst Min Chi-Kuo reported that the iPhone SE2 will be released in the spring of 2020. But he did not claim that the smartphone would be called that way. Now the Japanese resource Mac Otakara has shared his observations on this subject. Insiders said that the iPhone SE2 is no SE. The smartphone will be called the iPhone 9. It will receive a 4.7-inch display, a 1.3 processor, Touch ID, and 3 GB of RAM. All specifications are identical to the leaks that appeared for SE2. The resource claims that the 9 is likely to become the successor to the iPhone 8. But then the essence of the evolution of iPhones is lost. The novelty will cost about $399. The device will ship in space gray, silver, and red.